So as police investigations into the Sambhal riots intensify, this startling disclosure by the Superintendent of Police Sambhal has set the cat among pigeons. The UP police during investigations on Ground Zero found some spent and some misfired cartridges, and we are showing you those cartridges on your screen here. These included cartridges with POF, or Pakistan Ordnance Factory markings. There were also some spent and some misfired cartridges with US markings, and these are 12-bore guns, that ammunition. So this entire Sambhal belt actually is notorious for manufacturing country-made weapons, but the recovery of POF, or Pakistan Ordnance Factory markings, has added another layer, and a very disturbing layer, to the investigations. And there are some who are saying the investigations should now be taken over by the National Investigation Agency. Amit Bharadwaj brings you our top story.
The investigation into the November 24th clashes in Uttar Pradesh's Sambhal has taken a new turn. The police have recovered cartridges allegedly produced in Pakistan and the USA. The ammunition was recovered during a search operation in Kot Garvi locality of Sambhal.
इसको हम सीरियसली इन्वेस्टिगेट भी करेंगे और अन्य एजेंसीज की भी मदद लेंगे कि ये जो इस तरह के कार्ट्रिजेज हैं ये कहाँ पे और किस तरीके के लोग प्रयोग में लाते हैं और यहाँ पे किस तरीके से ये पहुँचे हैं, सबकी पूरी जांच पड़ताल बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि इट इज़ अ वेरी सीरियस मैटर.
The police have uncovered 6 cartridge cases at the crime scene. Police claim that they found one 9mm misfired shell and one shell inscribed with Pakistan Ordnance Factory from the spot.
पुलिस को इन्वेस्टिगेशन में एक FN 2 स्टार करके कारतूस मिला है और एक POF का कारतूस मिला है.
Metal detectors are currently being used to check the drains near Jama Masjid for more evidence.
Massive search operation being done by UP police, and they're looking into the deeper angles possibly as to whether there were bigger conspiracy behind, bigger preparation and conspiracy behind the violence of November 24th, and that is why this search operation has been launched today.
Reacting to the findings, Ziaur Rahman Barq, the Samajwadi Party MP accused in Sambhal riots, hit out at the police and Yogi Adityanath government, accusing them of peddling lies, a charge denied by the BJP.
मैंने ये तो सुना था कि उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस साजिश में बहुत माहिर है, लेकिन ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इस हद तक ये लोग गिर सकते हैं कि जनता के साथ में इस प्रकार की साजिश रच सकते हैं कि उनके पास में वहां के हथियार मिले.
संभल गढ़ है ऐसे आतंकवादियों का. अखिलेश यादव की जुबान नहीं खुली. कल सदन में बड़ा हीरो बन रहे थे, पुलिस को गाली दे रहे थे, अधिकारी पर केस करने के लिए कह रहे थे और अपराधी जिसका केस में नाम है उसको सदन में अपने बगल में बैठाए रखे थे.
After the recovery of alleged Pakistan-made ammunition, the administration is considering involving the NIA in the probe. The UP government had also ordered a judicial inquiry into the violent clashes. With Amit Bharadwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.